Wherever you are in the world, share your aviation. Share Aviation, a network for pilots by pilots.
Flying Cloud Tower, Cessna 6301 Delta at 10 right, ready for departure.
Cessna 6301 Delta, Flying Cloud Tower, runway 10 right, cleared for takeoff, right turn approved.
Clear for takeoff, 10 right, 10 right turn approved for 01 Delta, thanks. Primer's locked, mixture is rich. Lights are on. Rotate at 60, climb out at 70. We'll climb 2,500 until we talk to Minneapolis.
Cessna 01 Delta, amend your instructions. Fly to the southeast, I'll call to turn south. There is a Learjet inbound 10 miles south at 4,000 descending.
Southeast, you'll call the south turn for 01 Delta. Here we go. Feet to the floor. Takeoff power set. Oil temp screen, oil pressure screen. The airspeed's alive. 50. Knots rotate. Airborne. I'm out at 76. And we'll fly southeast bound until they call the turn. A little bit hazy.
Tower, good morning. Dozer 338's with you on the visual 10 right.
Dozer 338, Flying Cloud Tower, fly to the right base. Runway 10 right, cleared to land.
Right base, cleared land, 10 right, Dozer 338.
Cessna 01 Delta, the Learjet's about...
And Albert Lea traffic, Cessna 630 Delta, turn final, runway 5, full stop, Albert Lea. 30. Steps full. And Albert Lea traffic, Cessna 630 Delta, clear of runway 5 on Alpha going to the ramp.